So this is the RALENO. Wow, it's so hard to be close, but here we go. I got this for when I do videos and things, so you can see my face and I'll look prettier. So it'll be a little bit lit up more, and you can see you can set the brightness on the back here. So I'm going to set it up, and you see there. So now it's nice and bright, and you can see my face there, nice and bright, and I can change the brightness and stuff on it. Let me see if I got the right side there, so I can go down or make it nice and light and bright. And it's got such a good, clean color. This is going to be great. It's super close right now, so it's going to look weird. But it's great. Comes with the charger for it and everything I need. It comes with the mount, so I can connect it up to my tripod or to my camera right there with that setting there. So I can have it on my camera. I use a little Osmo Pocket, so it's a tiny little camera, so I'll stick it on the tripod. But this is awesome, and this is the box for it. The RALENO soft light. Love it.